Hello and welcome to partsfeed.ca. We're going to have a very quick look at how to search Husqvarna parts using Husqvarna model number on partsfeed.ca. So to start off with, it's important to get the correct model number. It's a label the size of about a business card and it's attached to the chassis of your machine. So on lawn tractors, mowers, snowblowers, the location may vary, but it's a label like this. And you require the proper model numbers and product number to search parts. So once you have your model number, you would go to partsbay.ca. You would select for the brand, you would select Husqvarna Power Equipment. So make sure it is the exact brand as it's here, Husqvarna Power Equipment. Husqvarna AYP is for non-branded Husqvarna. So if yours is the orange marked Husqvarna, this is the model you would, this is the brand you would select. In the model, you would start typing your model number. So in this case, we're looking for product number 96043. As you enter the numbers, you notice it populates your options for you. Okay, so here we go. So it's actually a YT46LS tractor, and this is the exact product code right off our label. Once you have entered that, and we've selected the correct one from the list, you click search and select assembly with the magnifying glass image here. It allows you to look deeper into the machine. So over here you could come and select the exact parts you would be looking for. So let's take a look at the mower deck, and let's say you require a belt. So as you put your cursor over it, you have the information and you can add to cart from right there. And at that point, you could go to checkout, okay, verify what you need, enter your email address to start the checkout process. So simple as that. If you have further questions, you can email us or you can call us at 1-800-610-5635. Thank you.